Today, we're gonna make a bacon grilled cheese sandwich with homemade yum yum sauce.
Welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red, and I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And what makes this bacon grilled cheese so special is the sauce.
It's delicious. It's yum yum sauce. And so we're going to start making that first before we start our grilled cheese. So we're starting off with a half a cup of mayonnaise.
Right.
And we're going to add a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of some paprika.
That don't even want to come out there.
Just scrape that out of there.
Oh, there we go.
We have a half a tablespoon of melted butter. And we have a half a teaspoon of sugar. Okay, mix that together.
I love this kind of stuff right here.
I do too.
We've been making this sandwich for a while now.
Now we're going to add some Heinz. We know Steve loved Hunt's, but we're going to add Heinz ketchup, and I'm just going to squeeze this in because I'm going to guesstimate. So this is about 1 tablespoon of ketchup. That's about a tablespoon.
Okay.
Half a teaspoon of mustard.
Okay.
And we're going to mix that together. You know, you can taste it if you want a little bit more sugar or you like a little tartar, you can test it. And so what we want to do is thin this out a little bit because we want it to drizzle over our sandwich. So we're going to add a little bit of water, a little at a time, just make it thin so that when we put it on, it's the right consistency. It looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah, turn it right here so the camera can see it.
So you see that? It's up to you how thick you want it, but we like it a little thinner. And we're going to go back and start making our bacon grilled cheese. All right, so we've got our grilling skillet on medium heat, and Sheila's going to put some butter.
Yeah.
We're going to butter all 4 of these pieces.
Yes, it's going to be good because I love this sandwich right here. We make that about once a week anyway. I love this. Just that one, then just turn it over.
On one side, I like to sprinkle just a little bit of garlic salt. Flip that over. And we'll put our cheese.
Okay.
Give the cheese. So we've got a couple different kinds of cheese here. So we've got our Colby Jack, and we've got some Muenster cheese.
And, yeah, medium cheddar cheese.
And we're going to put that on this side.
And you could use Gouda, but we don't have any of that, but that's a good one to put on here.
Oh, yeah. Any kind of cheese you like, really, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I like to turn them kind of like sideways so they drip out the sides and everything.
I just love that.
I do. Okay, so while that's melting,
Okay.
and we're going to put it on so I'm going to turn that this way so she can get to it. So on the left side with the cheddar, we're going to add our bacon. And this is pre-cooked bacon. Yeah, let's load it up with bacon.
Oh, yeah. We love bacon.
Let's not be chintzy with the bacon.
Oh, no. And then tomato.
That'd be good.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to let that sit. We want to make sure this gets nice and golden brown. So while we're waiting on that, we're going to have her drizzle a little bit of our yum yum sauce across there, like zigzag it across.
Yes.
And if it's too thick for you, you can always thin it out a little bit. We're loading these up.
Oh, yes.
We're going to make them yummy. And then we're going to take that other piece of bread, flip that over on top, flip that right on over. You can use any kind of bread you want. There we go. All right, I'm gonna turn off the heat and we're gonna eat.
Well, are you ready? I've got my paper towel. What about you?
Yeah, I've got my third of a sheet.
Yep.
I'm ready. Mama Donna put it out for us. Ready? Let's do this. This looks delicious.
It may take more though, because this thing is good.
This is gonna get messy, but it looks so good.
You ready?
It smells delicious.
Okay, look at this.
Doesn't that look good? Ready?
Yeah.
Wow.
I love these things.
That sauce on here just really makes it. The combination between the bacon and the tomato and everything, you're gonna love this.
And yummy and messy.
Hence the yum yum sauce.
As Steve would say,
is this the best bacon grilled cheese sandwich with yum yum sauce? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook,
Twitter,
Instagram, and don't forget all of our social links are right below. We've got our t-shirt sale down there, and you get 10% off using our SGR10 code. And visit the Shotgun Red website. We've got dolls, still the world famous Shotgun Red dolls, and so much more. And we appreciate you visiting with us each week and watching us make these yummy, delicious recipes. Just thanks for watching.
and come on into this kitchen, because that's how we feel about you.
Yes, come on in. Have some of this, because this is really good.
You ready?
Gonna have to try it.
Try again.
Really good. Bye.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.